Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I want us to quickly analyze crash 300. It's one of the most volatile pairs on Deriv to trade, and so many persons don't trade it, and especially if you have a small account size, it's not advisable to trade crash 300 except you are really good on what you do. But nevertheless, let me show you how, if you want to trade it, how you can do a top-down analysis to and also know when to enter the trade, either to catch spikes or to scalp the market on crash 300. All right, so we can see on the weekly time frame that the market has been bearish for some time now. From, you can see, since 2022, that should be June or July, the market has been bearish, creating lower highs and lower lows. As you can see right here, you can see the market, after forming this lower high, created a lower low. Then this particular low, it tried to form a higher low, sorry, a lower high here, but then created a lower low here. But unfortunately, the market still came back and swept this particular high, this lower high, and formed a new lower high. You can see it still came down and didn't also break this particular low here. So now this high here and these lows are yet to be broken since then, because you can see that the movement of the market has been within this particular high and particular low. And based on the fact that this market looks bearish, although it's given a kind of a bearish flag, something like that, it gives us an indication that the market, might be selling. It has swept this particular low here. The market might either come down to break this particular low or go up to break this particular current high here. But nevertheless, we have to put our trend lines, sorry, my horizontal lines, to mark out the key levels in the market. So the first key level I would want us to look at is this particular one right here, where I've placed this horizontal line. That is a key level there. Let me change this color. I don't like using it immediately. I think this one here will go. Yeah, makes some sense, I think. Then why have I decided to place that this line here? You can see the market bought here and has been selling around this level, and bought through here, came back, bought through here, and you can see it sold through here after buying here also. So that's actually a key level on the weekly time frame. That's a key level on the weekly time frame. And also, looking below, we have this strong resistance zone. This is a strong resistance zone, sorry, support zone on crash 300. Each time market gets to this zone, it reverses. Market has been reversing on this zone on getting to this level. So that's a strong support zone on crash 300. Mind you, I used to like placing my key levels very close to the current price, so I've decided to put those key levels right there on the weekly time frame. So immediately we'll have to go down to the daily time frame to find out if I can get more key levels and also direction of the market. So looking at what we have here, I have to zoom out a little so can easily identify key levels. Or I can see a key level right before my eyes here. So if I duplicate this line, I'll put it right here. Guys, this is a key level right here. There is a key level right here. Come in, let me see. No, this is the best place. It fits. All right, so there's a key level right there, guys. There's a key level right there. Let me change this color so I can distinguish them. Or I think I should use maybe blue color this time around. Now, why have I decided to put that line right there? Let me explain it, guys. So you can see, let me zoom in a little. Let's see if I can zoom in a little. All right, so you can see the market sold from here, sold again from here, bought from here, bought from here, sold from here. Mind you, that we are using a line doesn't mean that this particular wicks here are not on the zone. This is actually a zone. We are just using a line. It doesn't really matter. It's market bought here. By right, you're supposed to use a zone, maybe a rectangle, to indicate it's a zone. So, but I just believe you understand what I'm trying to explain there. So market bought from this point, also bought from here, again, market bought here again, and also so market is actually at the key level right now. So we don't know what it is planned, although we are seeing a kind of a correction, a kind of a corrective movement from here down. It looks like kind of a correction. You can see the movement of the market here. So it might be tending to break through maybe a kind of a resistive trend line somewhere here, then to continue buying. We are not sure yet, guys, so we leave it at that, because besides we do not trade the higher time frames, we have to channel down to a lower time frame so we know what to do in the market. Although this higher time frame is giving us a sense of direction and zones in the market, so I'll have to go down to the wait, do we have another key level here on this daily time frame? Is there any other level close to the current price? I think I can't find any at the moment, so I'll go down to the 4-hourly time frame. So on this 4-hourly time frame, what can we see, guys? You look at the chart, you can see that let's look if we can find another key level here to mark. Let me zoom in. So now you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, it gives us an idea about, hold on, I have changed this thing to, I think they're back in candlesticks. Okay, good. Okay, so you can see that the market has been bearish right here. You can see the market has been bearish from here down. Market has been bearish, so all we need to do is just to look out for structures. We concentrate on the current structure here on the 4-hourly time frame, and the current structure is what we are having here. The market is forming a kind of a descending channel right here, and we know the descending channel signifies, or okay, signals a possible change in direction, kind of yes, change in direction of the market from bearish movement to or bullish direction, you know. So that's a chance that the market might continue going up. There's a chance that the market might continue going up. So from here, let's see if we can find a key level here on the 4-hourly time frame, so we can mark out any key level close to the current price. I think we can find one somewhere here. Let me just duplicate this line and put it around here. This line we are putting here looks very close on the 4-hourly time frame, but I bet you if you go to a 15-minute time frame, you know that's enough space to trade and make some good money. That's enough space to trade and make some good money. If you still go, you'll see what we've marked is good, you know. So let's actually go down to a 1-hourly time frame. Let's go to the 1-hourly time frame. Okay, you can see that level we just marked here on the 1-hourly time frame. You can see how it fits well. Market has been buying and selling along that zone. Market has been buying and selling. Even there was a kind of a consolidation around this point. There was a kind of a consolidation. Market was moving, ranging around this point, and until it broke out and retested. You can see the sales down to the downside. All right, so let's zoom out completely. I noticed something on the 4-hourly time frame, which I think we need to look at it here on the 1-hourly time frame. And what is that? This bearish movement of the market. Let's look at it. Then we'll know when there will be a possible breakout, so we can go into make some money. Okay, based on what we have here, you can see clearly that the market has been selling. You can see here I decided to put this trend line on the last two on the last two swing points, because there's an idea that if you want to join the trend line, you focus on the last two swing points, then you take it to where the third point is. As you can see, it has actually worked here. You know, this is where the third touch came and the market reversed, you see. And if we should duplicate this trend line here, I think we'll have something else down here. We'll have something like this. Down here, you see. And you can see that each time market but from here, but from this trend line, it targets this other trend line, but again from here went here, and also but again from here, then still went to this, found its way to this particular resistive trend line at this point. Now, what I am expecting is a massive sell to the downside. Although the market started selling, we are on the 1 hourly time frame, started selling and it's kind of pulling back. So what we are expecting is it's either the market will continue going up to hit this resistance zone again, then sell massively to the downside, just to maybe a kind of a double bottom, maybe just to create a kind of a double bottom, sorry, double top. You know, you can see that zone is very clear. Let me take out this thing and use a rectangle to indicate that particular zone for more clarity. You can see that zone. You can see that zone there, guys. You can see it. So I expect the market to get to this zone again, then sell nicely to the downside. That's what I expect to happen in the market. The market might have to get to this zone that I just finished drawing, then reverse massively to the downside, because that is its third touch. You know what happens when market does the third touch, you know. And also there was a zone here, although I've already replaced it, put it with the indicated with this blue line here. There was a zone which was broken and retested, so the market is actually going bullish until it breaks out. See another zone here, guys. You can see this. You can see this, guys. So, and if we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, all these things will really make sense to you. Everything will really makes sense. So you can see the movement of the market. These zones, like I told you before, when we drew those lines and they looked very close, they are very close on the higher time frame, but then on a lower time frame, you can see a lot of space that are available to make some money. You can see the reaction of the market each time it gets to these zones. You can see the reaction of the market. So at this time, what we expect, since each time the market gets to binds from this, I need to zoom it a little. Since market buys from here, since the market each time it buys from here, it gets to this point, and each time it sells from this particular black line here, this trend line, it sells down to this um, other supportive trend line. I expect the market to go up here and sell down here. Why am I expecting the market to go up? It is because of the structure of the market that I'm seeing right here. Let me zoom in, guys, to show you. See what the market is trying to do. The market is a kind of moving correctively. The market is kind of moving correctively towards this particular line here. You see it created a higher high. Although this was a kind of a corrective impulse, it then spiked down, then came back again, moving positively to this side, and it's trying to do another, maybe a kind of another corrective impulse. Now you can see the red candlesticks and the pattern that is trying to form here. It might still sell again, then continue till it gets to this level before it sells massively to the downside. So that's just my prediction, guys. That's just my prediction. Simple analysis like this is what you're supposed to do. It's what you can do every day to, you practice. Each time you do, just sit down and wait to see if the market is going to play out. The one problem with some of us is that, or some of you, is that while you are still learning, you want to learn with your money. Like you want to test with your hard-earned money. While you are practicing this thing, please do it on your demo account. Most times you don't even need to place a trade. Just do the analysis and leave it. See if it's going to play out the way you predicted. If it goes the way you predicted, then you should be happy. Then you try it again some other day or on another pair. You must not always, place a trade every time you do analysis. Just be practicing until you get used to it, guys. All right, so I made a post today on our YouTube channel, and I talked about a training that will be coming up tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, which is 21st of February 2024. By tomorrow, which is 22nd of February 2024, I'll be going live with all of us, guys, and I invite everybody to be available on that training. It's going to be a webinar. I'm going to expose some stuff to you. I'm going to reveal some simple strategies you can also use to practice and make money trading. People have been losing money. People have been losing money. I'm a victim of that. So I'm trying now that I'm just trying to see if I can help people, so they can make money as well. So if you think this interests you, just there's a link in the description of this video. Go to that link, join the Telegram channel there. Every information is posted there. Every information I have is always posted there on that channel. So click on the link in the description of this video and go to that channel, and you get the updates on about the training. But the training must come up tomorrow. I will discuss so many things that is going to be of benefit to us. So do not miss it for anything. It's very important. We have reached 1K, 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel, and it's something that has actually inspired this free training which I want to hold. It's going to be massive value. It's going to be massive values. Lots of offers are going to be available. So I just hope you do not miss this opportunity, guys. You do not miss this simple analysis I've just done. Though it looks a little complex in your eyes, that's just because I am explaining and I'm doing it. If I want to do it by myself, it doesn't take me 3 minutes. I am done with my analysis, and I wait for what happens in the market. Once I get my good entry, I go into trade or I check another pair. It's very simple. When you practice them, it won't take you even 5 minutes to finish an analysis, guys. So I implore you to practice these things. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let us grow. Like this video so that it can be shown to other people who need this particular information, guys. Comment or whatever you think is any. Just comment, share, give positive comments, and ask questions, and I'll try to help as much as I can, guys. So without wasting too much time, we have already spent a lot. This is about 17 minutes. Please, let's leave it at that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.